Go ahead there, folks. Well, as you can see, we got a package here. And now I'm not going to show you my address. This is for another project that's sitting back in my other location. So I already opened up this side. Now Junior's going to go and cut open the other side. Don't you scratch it. No, just cut it. All right. Let's see. Slowly. And here we are. Oh. All right. Yeah, get the other side. Oh, that's the only good. Just make a hole. Just make a hole and pull it. Pull it. Oh my God. That's hard to do with one hand, folks.
Ooh, great. Ooh, they give you a sticker?
Ooh, I got a sticker. I got to stick them. What'd I get? Caution. Window must be peeled and inspected upon receipt. Any issues discovered after mask peeled more than 30 days after receipt will not be warranted. Okay.
Oh, so in other words, no money back.
Here you go, folks. This is the part number. So if anybody else has a Firebird or Camaro, which is from 82 to 92, this is the part number. You can get it from Summit.
Summit Racing.
Summit Racing. And this was supposed to be here Monday, and today is
Thursday.
Thursday.
A couple days early.
Couple. More like 5 days early. So, I'm pleased with this. Look at this. They even got this. The only trouble is it's not glass.
Polycarbonate.
I tried getting a glass one. I tried getting a glass one, and what do you call? I don't know how the hell I got a hold of this company, but it was on the interweb, as they say, or internet, and they say they're in Bethesda, Maryland. There was a used one. Looked like it was a salvage yard. Well, I'm old school, so I still say junkyard. So they wanted me to pay for it ahead of time. I said, hold on, let me go get my credit card. And phew, hung up on the guy, never called back. They've been calling me, and I never called back. So no, they were a ripoff. They just take your money and go. They go to the such elaborate of hosting a web page, paying for a web page, just to scam about $200 off for you. Unbelievable.
So Summit Racing was our next best bet.
I asked my neighbor around here. He works for a Ford dealership over here. He goes, you tried Summit Racing? Okay. So I tried it. I thought it was actually glass for the price I paid. But some kind of polycarbon or something. What the heck is, where's that? I'll let you guys see it for yourselves. Oh, it's around here somewhere.
Still on the other one?
I don't know. I remember seeing it.
Yeah, it's got the address on it.
Got it there. Oh well. Pick this one up. Sorry for the not seeing great, not looking great, not visualizing great, but hey, there it is. It's some kind of polycarbon, polycarper, whatever. And I'm happy with it. I'm very happy. For one, it came 5 days early. Second, well, it wasn't. But then again, everything nowadays is expensive.
And three, it's all in one piece.
One piece. Thank goodness for that. Now, all I gotta do is bring down the Firebird down and work on that one, then work on this one, then work on this one. Oh my dear Lord, what the hell am I thinking about? I hope I live long enough. All right, people.
If you like what you see, subscribe, hit that like button, and bleep boop it down in the comments.
What he said. Although you only see just the bottom half of him, but what he said. And he usually doesn't say much, but...
You don't have to be afraid to show me.
Oh, what he said. I show him, then the lawyers and the police will come after me. Okay. All right, folks. Adios. Au revoir. As Wiedersehen. Till we meet again.